Parenthesis 10 plus 2 plus 3 times 4. Our parenthesis 10 plus 2 will give us 12. Then we have 12 plus 3 times 4. 12 plus 3 will give us 15. Then we have 15 times 4. 15 times 4 is equals to 60. 60 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our parentheses, which is 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 will give us 12. Then we have 12 plus 3 times 4. Now, we have an addition and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 3 times 4 will give us 12. Then we have 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 will give us 24. 24 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.